How to fix PS5 cannot connect to the Wi-Fi network error. Here are some tips that would help you fix PS5 cannot connect to the Wi-Fi network error. 1. Try connecting other device to the same Wi-Fi network. If your device can use the Wi-Fi, contact PlayStation support for assistance. 2. Restart or back up your personal data, reset your PS5. To back up your console settings/data, refer to the following IMG. 3. Restart or back up existing router configurations, then reset your router and/or modem. 4. Move your PS5 closer to the router. 5. Connect an Ethernet cable to your PS5. 6. Check whether the PlayStation network is online or not. 7. Contact your internet service provider, ISP. 8. Make the best of the PlayStation Fix and Connect portal.